Hola my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Gurish Kaur. I'm in a very good mood today, so I thought of doing like this very fun video where I'll be trying out these 5 minutes crafts hacks. You must already know what 5 minutes crafts is, right? It's a channel on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. They have so many sub channels as well, and they do all these all these weird fun hacks. Like, I mean, do you know the definition of a hack? A hack is basically supposed to make your life easier and make the task easier, and hack it basically. Like, hack it and make it shorter and easier to just do it in a quick way, an easier way of doing a task, alright? And these hacks, oh my lord,
oh my god,
I just thought of being the rat and actually trying out these hacks for the first time, because we all, I mean, मैं बहुत time से hacks देखती हूँ just for fun sake, and I never happened to try it out. So I was like, आज मैं try करूँगी, and I have actually shortlisted some hacks. And yes, all the hacks that I've shortlisted, I was like, will this even work? It looks a little weird, it looks a little odd, because हाँ मुझे भी content चाहिए. हाँ, कुछ hacks थे उनके handle पे, I'm not gonna lie. There were some hacks that were like very doable and will make your life easier types. But 80% of the hacks are so weird, so vague and so silly and absurd, and you need like 50 other items to do a simple task in order to hack that task. So yeah, I managed to arrange all that I could in this lockdown situation, and let's sit down and try out some hacks and let's have some fun. And yeah, I'm doing this intro in like a bare face because girl, I don't know what my face will look like by the end of this video, so let's roll in and see how many of these hacks actually work. Alrighty, and the first hack that we're gonna try is drawing a perfect eyeliner using tape. And go, let's just watch this video and then we're gonna talk, alright?
nice.
Girl literally took tape of this size and width. मतलब इतनी broad tape क्यों लगानी है? It's all on her eyebrows. मुझे सिर्फ अपने eyebrows के लिए डर लग रहा है. But let's do it. Let's see if this hack works. And then she also used a mascara and not an actual eyeliner. So let's see if that works. अभी tape खुलने में 10 साल लग जाएंगे बस. Tape खुल गई and I have 4 such pieces. मुझे सच्ची अपने eyebrows के लिए डर लग रहा है. यार ये तो clickbait के लिए कर लेते हैं. खुद सोचो, कौन सुबह सुबह मतलब ऑफिस जाने लाइनर लगाना है, कॉलेज जाने लाइनर लगाना है. Would you do this? I'm just out of words by now. रुको यार ढंग से लगाने दो. मेरी लैशेस जा सकती है, मेरे आईब्रोज जा सकते हैं. अगर अभी भी शर्म आ रही है ना तो लाइक कर दो वीडियो और प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो. मैं इतना कुछ कर रही हूँ. What the fuck?
Okay.
Oh my god. And I'll take a very inky mascara and just try to fill that in. हाय साहब, ऐसे लाइनर लगाना पड़े ना, मैं लिटरली लाइनर लगाना छोड़ दूँ. Okay.
Okay.
I suppose we are done. I don't know. I really don't at this point. अब इसको dry हो, I guess वैसे भी dry हो जाएगा. I just really want to see. इससे better तो मैं वैसे लगा लूँ. अबे
Motherfucker.
What is this liner? I'll zoom you in. मतलब पहले अपने मुंह पे इतनी टेपें लगाओ and then still this is the liner you get. Not worth it. Nah, does not work. And the next hack is how to apply your foundation if your beauty blender or your powder puff is like dirty. The alternative that 5 minutes craft suggests is so according to her, if your beauty blender is dirty, throw it away first of all. And instead use your बर्तन साफ करने वाला sponge or your dishwashing sponge. I could not get the green or वो वाला that Scotch Brite thing, that exact thing, because वो घर पे available नहीं है clearly. I'm avoiding to go outside as much as I can, and this is not super essential. So this is what I have. But because it has this surface ना, so मम्मा ने suggest करा कि इसको cut कर ले, तो इसके अंदर से वही sponge होगा. So I'm actually gonna cut this outer thing. एंड इसके अंदर से हम स्पंज निकालेंगे, सिर्फ स्पंज से आज अपनी फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड करेंगे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग दिस अब्सर्ड थिंग्स, बट ये बहुत फन है. आई जस्ट वोक अप इन अ वेरी, आज मेरा मूड ना थोड़ा अच्छा है, so I thought of doing some absurd shit. We have our sponge, because दीदी ने green वाला side नहीं use करा, वो थोड़ा scrubby और hard होता है, so दीदी used the soft sponge. I don't know if, I think it's very porous and it's gonna absorb all the product, but let's see. So दीदी ने भी फाउंडेशन उस पर डायरेक्टली डाला, तो हम भी ऐसे ही करेंगे. I'll take 2 pumps क्योंकि मुझे शर्म आ रही है. And is it just me? Literally look in the video when she puts up the foundation and she's about to blend it. वो उसको हंसी आ रही है, वो हंसी रोक रही है अपनी. मेरे को शक्ल लेके लग रहा है उसको भी हंसी आ रही है कि ये क्या करवा रहे हो मेरे से. Like, are you serious? So the sponge has like 2 to 2.5 pumps of the Smashbox foundation. And यार इतना अजीब लग रहा है. Hey, इसके blended finish तो नहीं है यार, ये तो बड़ा, you know, it's leaving those marks actually. फाउंडेशन ज्यादा सोक कर लिया, एंड रेस्ट ऑल्सो इट्स सोकिंग अ लिटिल बिट, बट मेजर यू नो जो सोक करने का उसका मार्क है, इट्स द एग्जैक्टली वेयर आई pumped it out. Yes, it does work. If I have to say, it does work. It does the job. But this definitely will not be my pick, even in the worst case scenario. I'll either use my fingers or I'll just skip doing my base makeup. The feeling is very weird. It's a very porous sponge. It's not meant to be like a very soft beauty blender. Ajeeb si feeling hai. Alright, so after the foundation hack, my face feels very dry. I don't know why. Alright. It's a hydrating foundation. I used this one by Smashbox. It's a hydrating foundation. I don't know, I guess the sponge really soaks up all the oils and moisture, because my face really feels dry and tight, and I'm not even set it yet. So it's a little weird. And let's see how we are doing our brows today. Alrighty. So yeah, this hack is more likely to work, and itna bhi galat ya weird nahi lag raha. But the only thing I feel is it's gonna give you like really boxy brows, because you know when you outline from the start, it's gonna be dark from the starting as well and everything. So apply the product, क्योंकि ये थोड़ी सस्ती है, तो मैं इसको मैं sacrifice कर सकती for this video. Just wish and pray that I don't get those very dark boxy brows. But let's see. All she did was brow के विच पे खोल के. Shit, that's scary. Ooh. Oh, I did that. I did that quite well. Okay. And the rest you have to just like fill it in as she did. But yeah, as I told you, it's gonna give you quite a boxy brow. Yeah. I told you correct nahi kari. I really want to soften the outline, but I'm not gonna do it because she didn't do it. And she just filled it all in. Clearly see the brows look very unnatural and very, you know, obviously drawn or filled in. That's not how I like my brows to be. Okay, so again, essentially this works, but I don't like it. So I completed my brows off camera and also cleaned them out and, you know, carved them out with a concealer, because brows बहुत गंदी लग रही थी और मुझसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा था. And I also added concealer underneath my eyes and all around my eyes, and also set them lightly with some powder. So now it comes onto contouring my face and adding some color back to my face, and for that I'm going to use the most, you know, the oldest hack in the book, that is using a fork to, you know, contour your nose and then using the flat side to do your cheeks. I've never tried this. Like, this is so common since years and years on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, and I've never tried this. So ये तो try करना बनता है, and let's see. Okay, so I'm going to keep the fork like this, draw 2 lines of contour. I've never done this. In the middle, I'll do this line of. कौन लोग हैं जो ये करते हैं? मुझे बस ये जानना है. Now we're actually gonna blend that in. Okay, so एक तरह से this hack did work, but not the biggest fan of this technique. I mean, of course, if you're gonna place two lines and blend it out, it is gonna look like contour. But if you go with like a very creamy contour product or like a very deep shade, it's not gonna look good. It's gonna look very muddy and very ugly. Instead, all you can do is take your powder, bronzer and contour on a fluffy eyeshadow brush and just contour your nose rough. Instead of drawing two lines and then blending it out, just with a very light hand, just follow the two lines as close as you can make the two lines and connect it back into your eye where your brow starts here, so it looks very natural and not just two stark lines going down your nose. But if I have to say, yes, it does work. Okay, so I'll place my cream contour here. So essentially it's basically to have like a more sharper contour going on. I like more of like just a bronzy look, and that's super stark. Alright, I'm just gonna dab on the edges a little. Stark, damn it. Anyways, we'll try to replicate the same angle and shape and shadow, whatever, here also. I guess with zyada product aa gaya. I just hate it. And next up, we're gonna do our eyes, and ye wala hack actually was interesting, yeah. So let's see first. Basically, she takes hot water and puts her pencil crayons in the hot water, and you can actually use those pencil crayons as eye pencils, like as your colored eye pencils, colored eyeliners. How cool is that? ये मुझे बहुत interesting लगा था, and if it works, मज़े आ जाएंगे. So I actually got one pack of these from Amazon. I have not used to दूर की बात, I have not seen colored pencils school के बाद. This looks so pretty. अरे तुम भी देख लो. They look so pretty. यार color pencils in hot time हो गए. Literally school में last use it. They look so pretty. I'm gonna get hot water and actually dip them in for like 5 minutes and then see what happens. पहले use करके देख लेते just in case. Okay, कुछ नहीं आ रहा. Hard pencil ऐसा लग रहा है अपनी hand पे rub कर रही हूँ. No pigment, no crayon, texture, nothing. Now let's dip them in for 5 minutes. Okay, so it has been 5 to 7 minutes. Let's see. I'm just gonna. What? Oh shit! This actually works, yeah. This is like a very creamy liner situation. Wow, wow! I can't wait to play with these colors. What? Let's do like a pink, yellow, blue, like a colorful liner. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's start with like a pink wing. Oh shit, this though works very well, yaar. Wow, I'm blown by this hack in particular. Wow, this is absolutely perfect, no flaw. Wow. However, I would generally suggest to use good quality pencil crayons if using this, and if possible not to use it on like your lower lash line or to tight line your eyes, because these are ideally not meant to be used on your eyes. So I don't know if they can be toxic or not. These are non-toxic crayon pencils, but they're not meant to be for your face or your eyes, so I'm not going to suggest something like that can harm you. But performance wise, they work just beautiful. Like wow. Green. Shit, yaar, these are so smooth. That's insane. And lastly, yellow. I'm a little too impressed with this hack, I tell you. Alright, so clearly very impressed with the last hack, and the next hack that I have from 5 Minutes Crafts is that if your liner is basically dried now, like it's not working, it's dried out, you can actually take out the tip of your pen liner using a tweezer like this and put it back upside down, and it's a new liner altogether. So let's see if that works. So this is my Swiss Beauty liner. I kept it open so it got dried. I'm gonna do that shit. इसको निकालना भी बहुत आसान है. अरे हाथ में नहीं आ रही. Okay, so we did that. देखो आ गया. अब इसको उल्टा करके डालना है. This way back in. You know what? I can actually see the ink already. ये eyes वाले hack सही में अच्छे हैं क्या? Oh my god! Oh my god, it's like a new liner. What? I'm impressed. I'm just gonna outline, you know, this rainbow liner with this new liner now. Okay, so consecutively 2 hacks that really had my heart. They work so well. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Okay. And the next hack is for how to give yourself 4 freckles. Let's see how it turns out, but I'm a little more optimistic after 2 successful hacks, so let's see. I'm gonna take my hairbrush and I'm gonna use the contour product and mark the bristles or whatever. You can see, right? Yeah, I'm just applying the contour product on that. I really don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm trying out more of these and I would love to do them for you. And मेरा hairbrush कुछ ऐसा सा लग रहा है. So let's start stamping it on now. डर लग रहा है इसको. Oh shit! No way! मेरी ब्रश की शेप भी तो फिर वैसी नहीं है ना. ये कौन से freckles है? Yuck. Okay, but now since we are at it, let's just go with the flow. Add a couple of them on the forehead as well for a natural freckles. I'll go over with the foundation brush to at least make them more subtle because this is too much. And ये लग रहा है किसी मुंह पे ना कुछ प्रिंट कर रहा है, कुछ छाप है. Ooh, I don't like it. Nah, not recommended. Kiran Kher wala. Nah. Also saw this very silly hack. मुझे पता है ये काम नहीं करता. It's so silly. A pout face and जहाँ पे वो you know it dips. You add these 2 pencils. फिर उसको ऐसे पकड़ के smile करो 5 मिनट तक and you'll get dimples apparently. Like really. लोग पागल है जो डिम्पल्स के लिए सर्जरी करा लेते हैं. ऐसे पेंसिलें डालनी थी यार. So just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna replicate this. So and I have to stay like this for 5 minutes. What the fuck? नहीं होगा, छोड़ो. नहीं होगा. And I naturally have like a slight dimple on this side. If I smile like सी खराब हुआ है, बस इससे मेरी फाउंडेशन ही थोड़ी सी हिल गई है. That's it. और कुछ नहीं होता इस हैक से. It's dumb. Don't use pencils to get dimples. That's dumb. For smile, this is also very silly again. So in that they've used like a blue pen liner. I don't have a blue pen liner, so I'm probably gonna use like a blue liquid liner and literally draw these 2 sort of wings, lip wings. People will do anything for views, I tell you, including me. लिप लाइनर से करते तो भी थोड़ी सेंस बनती. यूजिंग अ ब्लू लाइनर. Yeah, and that's it. Apparently it's supposed to give you like a wider smile. और जब मैं स्माइल नहीं कर रही और मैं बेवकूफ लग रही हूँ कि ब्लू लाइंस के मेरे लिप्स के पास वो 5 minutes का, उसका क्या करूँ? Anyways, I'll fill in my lipsticks and call this a wrap for today. And yeah, my hearty plea, please stay safe, please stay indoors, take care of your loved ones, stay healthy, fit and fine, and get vaccinated because it's around the corner that you're gonna get your vaccine shots, right? So yeah, with that, I'm gonna take a final goodbye and see you in my next one.